Myself Tejaswini Chaos. I am from MIT College. I am going to explain the topic about inheritance. Inheritance means the mechanism of deriving a new class from an old class. It is known as an inheritance. Old class it is known as the base class, and the new class it is known as the derived class. Here father it is a base class and son it is a derived class. It is deriving all the properties from a father, and father it is having a variable like surname, it is a type of string, and the bank balance type of int, and son having a variable fname type of string, and the date of birth it is a type of int. And I'm sending arguments to a father, to a base class from a derived class, and I'm creating a one object, it is called as s1 object, to a derived class, not to a base class, because son it is a derived class, it is accessible to a base class. Now I'll write a program. First, hash include IO string means I supports the input function, O supports the output function, so all objects are included in IO string, so we can use the input and output statements in our program. Next I will write using name space std means it includes all C++ libraries. Then I will write class father, it is a base class and it is having the data variable like string surname, and it is having a int bank balance. Then it is having a one default constructor, then it is having one parameterized constructor like string x comma int y, then surname equals x will be assigned to surname, and y it will be assigned to a bank balance, it is a base class. Next I will create a derived class son, public b, public father, means it is very important line because it is deriving all the properties from father, so we have to write like colon public father, so it is inheriting all the properties from base class. It is having a variable like string fn means first name, then int date of birth, it is also having a one default constructor like, and one parameterized constructor here string x int y, string p, and int q. Then father x comma y, then fn equals p it will be assigned to fn, then q it will be assigned to dob. Then I will write a main function void main, then I will write, I'm creating an object for son, then I'm sending a surname, then bank balance, then name, then date of birth 7/9/98. Then I will write s1 dot display. I will write a display function here, void display cout surname Then I will write a display function here, cout surname int L, then surname int bank balance int L, then cout fn int L, then finally dob and L. It is displaying. It is base class, and sun, it is a derived class, and the display function I will write here surname also because it is accessible to a base class. And then I'm sending an s1 object and creating a derived the s1 object for derived class, and I'm sending a parameter shetty. It will be assigned to x, and 1000 it will be assigned to y. Then it will call a father, it's a base class x comma y. Then it will be assigned to a x and y, it will be assigned to surname and the bank balance. Then Teju and date of birth, it will be assigned to P and Q, it will be assigned to first name and the date of birth. Then finally the S1 object, it is having surname, bank balance and FNAME and DOB. When I write s1.display, it will display all these things. It is the program. Thank you.